Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Scholarship Network. Previously, I made some videos on free online courses which are offered by MIT, University of Oxford, Harvard University, and British Council. Due to current situation, as you all know, the current year period is going on, so we are not able to do physical studies. That's why online courses are the best option instead of wasting our time in leisure activities. Do these courses free of cost and get the certificate. If you don't watch the video how to register, then go to my YouTube channel and watch now. Today I will discuss about Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship that is recently opened. This is a great opportunity for master students. This is not a scholarship of one country. It is offered by 5 different countries. There are the countries like South Africa, Sri Lanka, and there are the universities which are offering scholarship like University of Colombo, and these are the disciplines: medicine, health and life sciences, physical sciences, engineering, mathematics, social sciences, art and humanities. These are the main fields. These also have subfields like civil engineering is available as it is a sub branch of engineering. These are the journal documents which are required in all universities: passport, to reference letter or recommendation letter, undergraduate transcript, high school certificate, statement of purpose. Some universities required some special document like IELTS, portfolio. Check these requirement on the university site. Eligibility criteria. This is the eligible criteria to apply. To apply, you must be a citizen of Commonwealth countries. Click here to check the countries. Total 54 countries are available, and scroll down and check your country. You should have a degree of bachelor or depend on university requirement. Like if you are in last semester, then you are also eligible. Now, if we talk about the benefit, Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship is totally funded. Scholarship in which listed things are included: living expense, accommodation, return ticket, research, sport grant, if possible. Your course is related to research, and if university select you for the research grant. 9th July will be the last date to apply. Now open the official website by just clicking on official website link. New page will open. Now you have to select your required country. Suppose I am clicking on South Pacific. Two universities of South Pacific are offering Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship. Select your required university. Like I'm selecting QECS at USP. So just click on the university tab. After that, new page will open. If you want to read the instruction like about discipline, about eligibility criteria, about how to apply, document which are required, so if you want, then read it. Otherwise, just click on apply for a QECS at the University of South Pacific. I'm just clicking here. After that, new page will open. Here you have to register yourself. If you already have an account, then fill that detail about username, about fill the password, and if you are the new user, then fill the form like username, password, confirm password, and email address. And after that, click on submit button. Now new page will open, and it's the application form for Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship at University of the South Pacific. If you want to read these instructions, then read it. Otherwise, just click on new page. Tick if this is applicable to you. Mean if you are from Commonwealth countries, then click here, otherwise you are not eligible for apply. So I'm from Commonwealth country, so tick here. After that, select your country, and if you already completed an undergraduate degree, then say yes, otherwise say no, and after that click on next page. After that, new page will open. Here you have to fill the personal detail like title. I'm select Mr. After that, given name exactly as it appears on your passport, surname exactly as it appears on your passport, gender, date of birth. If you have dual nationality, then put the other nationality name here, and permanent address, house name, and street number, city, province, postal code, phone number, and country. And do you have a different correspondence address? Mean if you have two different address, then put the other address here and say yes. I have just only one address, then I click the no. After that, you have to put your phone number with your country code. Like I'm from Pakistan, so I will put +92 before my phone number. Your email address, and confirm your email address. After that, you have to put your academic and employment record. Please list the most recent first. Mean I recently completed civil engineering, so I will fill first here civil engineering. After that, intermediate, because I completed intermediate before the civil engineering, so so on. After that, employment record, list the most recent first. As I mentioned earlier, put your record according to employment record according to that. After that, if you have any organization membership, then mention here. Or your language proficiency. If your first language English is your first language, then say yes, otherwise no. If have you taken a formal test of English language, if you have a test report, then say yes, otherwise no. Like I have IELTS, so I put the IELTS here, and date of test and result of test. Course applying for at University of South Pacific. If you have any idea about the courses which are offering by the University of South Pacific, then directly put the course name and the degree level here. If you don't have any idea about the courses which are offering by South Pacific, then just click here and find your course name, exact course name from this link. After that, have you already applied? No, I'm applying first time here. Supporting statements, like you have to put your statement of purpose and the research plan. In short, you have to cover all these questions. And I also made a video on this, like statement of purpose, and I will drop the link in the description. If you want, then check that video. One more thing, if you want to review your document, then just go to my official website scholarshipnetwork.info and click here appointment form, and just fill the appointment form. And after that, I will review your document free of cost. Now, which development goal you want to fulfill with your studies, you should mention here your goal type and the reason. How will your proposed study contribute to sustainable development goal subjected above. You have to give 1 to 2 reasons here. After that, you have to answer these questions here, and after that you have to fill the references, two references. 60% completed, and now the last page is open, and here you have to just upload the documents, and after that you have to declare all these things and sign here with your cursor, and click on the next page, and now you are applied for Queen Elizabeth Commonwealth Scholarship. So wish you all the best, and Allah Hafiz.